Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to receive money from Wise in the Philippines. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Wise app or website and then log into your account. On your home screen, you want to pick the currency you want to receive, for example, USD, or in my case, PHP. And then you want to tap on Get Account Details, this one. If it's your first time, Wise might ask you to finish a quick setup. Just to let you know, this will actually ask for 700 pesos from you. But don't worry, they will actually return this, or you can use this on their website or app. Now, once you've created your account details, you can share those account details with the person sending you money. This works just like giving someone your bank details. They'll see an account number, IBAN, or routing code depending on the currency. Now, the sender just transfers money into your Wise account. When the funds arrive, you'll get a notification and see the balance right in your Wise app. And from there, you can hold the money in Wise, convert it to another currency at Wise's low rates, or withdraw it straight to your linked bank account. A quick tip, receiving domestic transfers is usually free, but international Swift payments may have a small fee. And that's it. You can now receive money from the Philippines. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides.